Hi love, it is Matte Red here. Today I am so excited to be unboxing my first pair of glasses from Firmoo. Let's give this a shot, eh? So I went online and I ordered some stylish glasses that are on a reasonable price from Firmoo. Just did my nails as well, so I'm trying not to break them. All I really want to do right now is rip the packaging open. Got to be a better way to do this. Yes, there is. There's a little tab here I can pull. Here we go. All right. As you can tell, the packaging is absolutely terrific. Very well done, I should say. And it comes in a box as well. How fancy. Oh my God, I can't wait. Let's try these out. And it comes in a little sleeve. Okay, I'm really, really excited. Oh my God, I cannot wait. These are perfect. How do you like them? Let's see here. Get the reflection out of the way. It's not working very well. Okay, well. I love these. These are absolutely perfect. What do you think? I think I'm going to do some more try-on videos.